Hi guys, welcome back to our channel 7. This is another soap review video. This time it's from FEMA Men's Gel Bar Refreshing Pulse Review and Unboxing. Already we saw about the FEMA Energizing Sports Gel Bar for Men review and I got a good response too. Thank you for your support. And also our channel contains lots of soap review videos, especially about the Pierce soap, Dove, FEMA and lots of varieties. And so gel reviews also available. So please watch the videos page, check card bar, check description, check first comment for more details. I put part of link also in the description. See, this is the actual packing. I bought from Flipkart for 156. Actual cost was 200. See, I bought it in half. It's a pack of 4, 125 gram into 4, overall 500 gram pack. See, this is the actual product delivered in a single day without any damage. See, FEMA Men Gel Bar Refreshing Pulse. And see sea minerals and lots of things available with the sea minerals. I will explain it later in the video. Amazon page explain line by line. See sea minerals button 1 and see 3 by 3 1 free, so 4 in 1 pack, overall 500 gram, overall 156 was great buy from Flipkart. Okay, see now also they mention dermatologically tested and skin conditioning we can find in all the soaps from FEMA. Okay, and then move to the other side. See skin conditioning also the same thing, and see 200 rupees I bought it for 156. See all the soap contains soap gel also side by side. You can choose soap gel or soap depends upon your usage. See quality product from ITC, made in India product. See it's a slogan or wear in all the soaps. See later about it. And 500 gram soap made in India product, dermatologically tested, safe on skin. Okay, not for blue sale. Now we see the other unboxing about the packing. See, already we saw the men's energizing gel bar and I got a good response. Thank you for support. These bars are especially for men who are roaming outside mostly and they got lots of dust in their face, body, so it is very useful for removing the dust and drift. It's the main use of the product. This is the actual product and we will just take one and see the review. See FEMA Gel Bar Refreshing Pulse Sea Minerals. See packing was good with the lines and a thick blue color like the soap. The green and the orange shades are really good and the packing was really good, cool. Okay, now see about the what is sea minerals and what are things in the soap. First we see about the sea minerals. See these are the 3 things available with the soap. Sea minerals, blue lotus extract and refreshing fragrance. First we see about the sea minerals. These are some basic things I got it from the internet. See sea minerals means deep ocean minerals is sustainable extracted from deep ocean water protected by the nature reserve. See, dead sea minerals are known to cure skin disorders through strengthening the skin tissues, maintaining the chemical balance of the skin, stimulating blood circulation and eliminating toxins from the skin. So it is very useful for cleaning, strengthening the skin. Second one, blue lotus flower. See, blue lotus flower also named as a psychoactive planet, also known as a blue Egyptian lotus, blue water lily. Already we see about a blue water lily in a Nivea soap gel, I think. Scared blue lily. So these are names for a blue lotus flower. See this blue lotus flower extracted can act as a natural moisturizer to help improve the look and feel of dry, rough and flaky skin. So they are mentioning a best for dry skin, improving moisturizer, natural, improving the natural moisturizer. So and third one is refreshing fragrance. We see about the fragrance later. See laboratory naturally innovation in skincare with the skin conditioning. So the sides and move to the other side. See here the ingredient list. It's dermatologically tested and found safe on human skin and see lots of chemicals as the fatty acid, aqua, propylene, glycol, sodium, sulfate, lots of chemicals are there. But the extract of seaweed and sea minerals, natural extract of blue fragrance, sodium chloride also there, methyl propyl. So ingredients are good, but chemicals of chemicals. For natural soap, move to other soap. The product was good, tested already tested for allergy or everything. I think dermatologically tested and made in India product from ITC, marketed by West Bengal, manufacturing Haridwar, I think Uttarakhand. Okay, this address, everything mentioned in the box clearly. Ingredients was very clear and without hiding, they give the full list. And see, individual pack not sold, but 69 rupees, 125 gram. See, 5th month pack. Now we are in 7th month. New product delivered. There's in a dull moment in your active day, so why shouldn't your mood and skin may be the way wash off the dullness and feel fresh to the Fema men's range and bring out the new. If a refreshing shower is there, what you miss? Look no more Fema refreshing pulse it is. So the missing about the smell, it refreshes the dull day into active day, I think. And okay, now we just open the box. See, box called as fine. Inside also they provided another cover. It's very interesting. Same we see in the adjusting bar also. It's one of the best gel bar, I think, transparent gel bar for men. See, another cover also provided the same thing. I see in the adjusting bar, the wears are same. See, gel care for men, designed for men, and see the same packing for the adjusting bar also. Only the outer cover was different. See, designed to keep men's tough skin film clear and youthful. So especially for cleaning the skin, men tough skin, not for women, only for men, I think it's product. Okay, youthful, film and clear. These are things we also see in the all the men soaps from Fema and Fema gel bar, Devonshire gel care for men. Okay, and we need to open this cover. Packing was really good for the cost we pay. The packing was really good. After open the box, I can feel the smell of the soap even without opening the cover. See, it's a transparent gel soap, semi-transparent. See, shape was good, looking cool, light blue color and very transparent. See, the both of the really same, and the previous adjusting bar we can see letters less but easy to clean, but here the letters really good the product, and the soap was really easy to hold. See, size was small, 100 grams, still it looks small, and letters really well and easy to hold, and without non-slippery we can able to apply on our whole body, and rinsing also easy. Even though it leathers well, rinsing also very easy, only less water needed, and the smells really lemon smell, and wonderful scent lasts for 2 hours in our body, and the whole bathroom and my whole room smell lasts for whole day in a full room, especially from the bathroom to my whole room, but in the body it lasts for only 2 hours. Was a little bit disappointment. Otherwise it's a good product, and I'm using it for last 3 weeks, and see, when I touch my skin after the wash, I can feel the skin was very clear and no oil, non-slippery feel, and skin looks very clear and clean. It's more important for the men's because we are roaming outside, so the soap done the job really well. Clean the skin was phenomenal and excellent, and reduce my oil. I'm oil skin people, but my oil may produce after 2 to 3 hours, but it looks oily, but still it does not moisturize my skin, but not fully take the oil. It leaves some oil and looks really cool. My face is clean, clear, and without oil. But when I recommend for very dry skin people, they need to apply moisturizer. Otherwise, oil layer combination skin, you can use the soap without any doubt. It removes the drift, dust, and everything clear, and makes your skin smooth and very clear, clean look. Overall, roaming outside, you can use the soap really well. If you're looking for a cleaning soap, then it's a very good soap with a great smell, refreshing the whole day. So early in the morning, I got a refreshing feel after using the soap. Thank you for Fema and Flipkart for a wonderful product. After a whole day roaming outside, you can, if you get a shower, surely you can feel fresh and without drift. It cleaning is really good as the one best thing about the soap. So don't go deep, and it's a best soap in the main category. Really good soap. I don't want to mention here about the cons and the pros, but with the reduced cost, it's really good. But here, Flipkart, Amazon, they have offer, so no doubt it's the best for middle class people also. So no problem about the cost. So it's wonderful soap. Thank you Flipkart and Fame for wonderful soap. It's the best soap for men. Very clean, clear soap. Gel bar. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you, Sean.